Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for visiting the AutoCAD Electrical Training course on my channel TechN. AutoCAD Electrical is a software program that allows you to manage an entire project of electrical circuits. We've learned about the interface and different AutoCAD electrical templates. Now it's time to learn about the procedures for managing projects in AutoCAD Electrical. Subscribe to TechN and click the bell icon to be notified about the latest videos. So, let us begin. A project is a categorized collection of interconnected drawings. Schematic diagrams and panel drawings are the two main types of drawings in AutoCAD Electrical. Let's make a project file first before we start drawing. Open a drawing file or create a new one to be able to use all of the Project Manager's tools. The Project Manager's deactivated tools will reactivate. We'd like to make our drawings using IEC standards and metric units on colored A3 sheets. Therefore, we're going to open the ACE_A3_color.dwt template. The Project Manager's deactivated tools are reactivated. Now click on the New Project button in the Project Manager. The Create New Project dialog box is displayed. In the Name Edit box of the dialog box, we give the project a name. To create folders with the name of the project file, make sure the Create Folder with Project Name checkbox is checked. From the Browse for Folder dialog box, we can also change the project's saved location. We also double-check that the Copy Settings from Project File dialog box has the desired project selected. We chose the IEC demo project to copy settings because we want to create drawings in accordance with IEC standards. The next step is to write the perfect project descriptions, because we'll be repeating these descriptions on each drawing we make. Our drawing's title block can be accessed by clicking on it. The Enhanced Attribute Editor dialog box will appear. We can see the value or meaning of the line in front of the WD_TB tag. The description of our project is the first line. Description of our drawing is the second line. Drawing scale is the fifth line. Line 6 is for the name of the person by whom drawing is edited by. Line 7 is for the name of person by whom drawing is checked by. Line 8 is used to show the editing date. Line 9 is for a check date drawing. Line 10 is used to point file name. As a result, we fill in the descriptions for our project one by one. We use the checkboxes in front of each line to include certain lines in our reports. After we have completed all of the details in the description, click the OK button. To create the project, we now click the OK button. We can open the complete properties of our project by clicking on the OK-Properties button if we want to check the properties of our project further. For the time being, we'll just create the project by clicking the OK button, because the settings from another project have already been copied. As a result, we don't need to make any changes to the properties. At a later stage, we can also change the properties of our project by opening Properties of Project. That's all I've got for now. I hope you found this video exciting. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. In the comments section, you can ask for specific drawings, and I'll make video tutorials for them. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.